Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix the missing Edit with Elementor button. This is a common issue that can prevent you from accessing Elementor's visual editor, but don't worry, we'll get it sorted out quickly with a few simple checks and adjustments. First, head over to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll need to navigate to the Elementor settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Look at the left-hand menu and find Elementor, then click on Settings. This section controls which post types Elementor can edit, and sometimes these settings get accidentally changed or reset. Once you're in the Elementor settings page, take a look at the post types section. You should see checkboxes next to different content types like pages and posts. Make sure both of these boxes are checked. If they're unchecked, that's exactly why your Edit with Elementor button has disappeared. These checkboxes tell WordPress which content types should have the Elementor editing option available. Go ahead and check both pages and posts if they aren't already selected. After you've checked those boxes, scroll down and click Save Changes. This step is crucial because it applies your settings and refreshes the system. Give it a moment to save properly before moving on. Now head back to any page or post in your WordPress dashboard. You should see the Edit with Elementor button reappear at the top of the editor. If it's there, great, you've solved the problem. However, if the button is still missing after saving those changes, we need to dig a little deeper. The next step is to check for plugin conflicts, which are often the culprit behind this issue. Go back to your left-hand menu and click on Plugins, then select Installed Plugins. You'll see a list of all your active plugins. What we're going to do here is temporarily deactivate all non-essential plugins one by one, keeping only Elementor and Elementor Pro active. This process helps identify if another plugin is interfering with Elementor's functionality. Start by deactivating plugins that aren't critical to your site's basic operation. After deactivating each one, check if the Edit with Elementor button has returned. If it appears after deactivating a specific plugin, you've found your conflict. You can then decide whether to keep that plugin deactivated, look for an alternative, or contact the plugin developer for support. And there you have it. By checking your Elementor post type settings and ruling out plugin conflicts, you should have your Edit with Elementor button back and working perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.